watch unlisted YouTube videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to watch unlisted YouTube videos. So first of all you have to do is just open the video that you would want to see and which has been unlisted by the video owner. So for example, you want to watch this particular video which has been made private and has been unlisted recently. So all you have to do is just copy the URL from the top. Just copy it. And after that, you need to open a Google Chrome browser, and on the search bar, just simply search for YouTube Video Finder. And on the search bar, just simply search for YouTube Video Finders. And after that, just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top. And once you are there in this page, all you have to do is just copy the URL of the video that you would want to see. And after that, just come over here and paste the link in the Insert Video Link section. And after that, just click on search. And now you have to choose a platform on which you want to see this particular video, which will make this process even more smoother. So for example, I want to watch this video on Google. So just select that. Now, as you can see that on Google, this video link is not available. So what you can do is just go back here. And after that, just select any other platform. For example, I'm choosing Bing right now. And as you can see that the link has been available for this particular video on Bing. So just click on the first link. And here it says that you need to sign in to check if you have been granted the access to see this video. So just simply click on sign in. And after that, just choose an account and just select the account. And there you go. Now the video has started being playing. So this is basically how you will be able to watch unlisted videos on YouTube. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.